looking back at the games the girls played against them last year, they're a tough team. They have some positives and some good players, and we have to be able to break them down, which I think we will, and we have to be able to defend against their strengths. The girls last year drew twice. It was 2-2 and 1-1. Hopefully we can do a little bit better, because I think the girls have progressed and I think they've grown as a team and as individuals over the last 12 months. So hopefully we can get a win tomorrow. It's fantastic that we have some younger players in the country who are able to step up and play senior international football right now, and it's really good for our senior older players as well, because it's that competition that they need to make sure they perform every game. So it's a nice environment, and you know, I'd like to thank the older players as well, because they're helping those younger ones learn on a daily basis, and the younger ones are growing day by day. A lot of them know me as a person from previous histories as players, etc. But the ones who don't, I think they're understanding that when it's time to train and focus, we do that, and we do that to the best of our ability. When we're relaxing, we relax and we enjoy ourselves. And the big thing for me is that in these camps, in these game environments, they perform to the level I expect them to perform at, but also come together as a group. So that downtime is just as important right now as the game time. For me, I'm still looking at players right now. There's no confirmed squad between now and September. It's a case of the players that get the opportunity to shine, go out there and shine. If they do that, then they'll be in the squad come September. But it's nice to have competition. I'm still looking at players, and I still want to give them an opportunity to come and perform. And I think the team we're going to go with tomorrow will do that. I have every confidence in them. So tomorrow and Wednesday, hopefully that will happen.